In this video, I will show you how to contact Roblox Support. So if you are having issues with your account and you need support to help it out, then I'm going to show you how you can contact the Roblox Support. So for this, we're going over to our Roblox app. So let's go ahead and click on the app. And then from here, we're going over to the More tab at the bottom right. And then in here, we're going to scroll down. And once we scroll down, we're going to click on Help and Safety. So let's click on this and then click on Violations and Appeals. And once we do that, we will see support in here, and then you can basically click on this function. And right now you can put in your username, your first name, it's an option, your email address, and then you can put in your issue in here by selecting this, and then just go ahead and select your issue. So select the category of your issue, and it can be anything, of course. Just go ahead and select the thing that is your issue. So let's do that. And then you can select some different tabs. Just be as precise as possible. And then in here, you need to type in the description of your issue. And I would say also be as precise as possible to get the best help that you need. And after you have everything filled in, you need to click on continue. And this is currently the way to contact Roblox Support. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.